Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to reset your WordPress site. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So in order to reset your WordPress website, firstly you have built your site with WordPress and for some reason you want to get it back to the default. So in order to do that, in order to reset your WordPress website, we need to follow two steps. So our step number one will be installing Reset plugin. In order to install the Reset plugin, in the left side column, go to the plugins and click on add new plugin, and then this would get to the page like this, and search for plugin called as WP Reset. And then here you can see, click on this install now to install this WP Reset, and as it is installed, click on activate. So as this has been activated, now go to tools in the left side section. So this will be our step number 2, that is resetting WP using the plugin. Click on the tools. So as you click on the tools, you go to WP Reset. So if you want to quickly revert to your site, you can take a snapshot of your site. In order to take the snapshot of your site, click on this snapshot and click on create snapshot, and you can name your snapshot. I'll just name it as my first snapshot. First snapshot. So click on create snapshot, and the snapshot has been created. So now you can see your first snapshot, that is 5 seconds ago, made created 5 seconds ago, and here you can see all the snapshots that you made. But the point to be noted is this snapshot is not a replacement for your backup. So once you reset your website, you will lose all the data on your site. So it is important to take a backup of your site before you proceed, and this snapshot is not a replacement for your backup. So it is important to have a separate backup to keep your data safe before you reset the site. So now we'll see how to reset your WordPress website. So here you can see in the options over here, you click on the reset option and then scroll down, and here you can see we need to type reset. So type reset and then click on reset site. So once you click on reset site, there will be a pop-up that are you sure you want to reset the site, and click on reset WordPress, and then by clicking on this reset WordPress, you would be your website would be directly resetted, and then you can start building your website again from the scratch. So now till now you have learned how to reset your website and also have to create a snapshot of your website. Now we'll see how to restore the snapshot that you have taken before. So in order to restore the snapshot, we need to again go to snapshots, and then if you scroll down, you can see that the snapshot that we have taken just in a while. So this is my first snapshot. So click on actions, and here you can see restore snapshot option. Click on it. So click on restore snapshot. So here you can see the pop-up called as snapshot has been restored. So by this your WordPress website will be back again by the snapshot. So once again I'm telling you, this is not the replacement for the backup, but by using this snapshot you can just revert back to your website again from after resetting. So it's all for this video, guys. So this is all for this video, guys, and I hope you found this video useful for you, and do subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.